Let me take you back to a time where I thought I was living my best life as a normal human, which I wasn't, cause I had this one stupid dream stuck in my brain. Yo, what if I could use my laptop from 10 meters away without moving? Like, imagine being on your sofa, holding your pillow while sleeping upside down. Fast forward to the day. Now, I'm still a human, but guess what? I actually made the app, like for real. I turned my phone into a full-on remote controller. Scroll wheel, yes. Mouse, yup. Typing, kinda cursed, but still yet, that too. All from 10 meters away, cause walking is overrated. And bro, the first time I tested it, I legit sat on my sofa like a king, pressed one button and watched my laptop obey me like, yes sir, open Chrome right now for you. I felt powerful. People asked me, oh, can you showcase it? No, download it yourself. I already did the hard part. My brain cells are on life support, so download it yourself. But for real though, I made this because I'm lazy. You are lazy. Humanity is lazy. It's not about distance with your PC, it's about how satisfying it is to be controlling. Even controlling your PC for no reason is satisfying. So yeah, enjoy your new superpower. Control your laptop from your bed, from your sofa, from the floor if you fell and never got up. Or even from the sky if you got Wi-Fi. Just don't blame me if your Wi-Fi is bad and connection lags.